Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable snap layouts for multitasking. If you are using a PC using Windows 11, you want to enable snap layout for multitasking. So let's see how can you do it. You just have to simply open your settings. Just go to set and search for settings. And now once you are in settings, you just have to go to system from here. Just scroll down, go to multitasking, click on it. And here you must see the option of snap windows. So you just have to enable it. Now just click on this to expand the other options here. You can check or uncheck these boxes. The very first is when I snap a window. Suggest one what I can snap next to it, or show snap layouts when I our Windows maximum button. So we can easily check or uncheck these boxes from here. So in this way, you can easily enable Snap Windows for multitasking in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.